I'm Jeremy, and this is my story. Reading has been my strength and motivation through my journey. Although people may bully me, I still keep going to achieve what I want. And one day, I found someone who finally understood me. I actually kind of felt relieved that I wasn't the only one who loved to read books. I mean, who wouldn't, right? And that was just the beginning.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Take your seat.
Even in class, I always keep a book with me to keep me company. These are the mean girls, the ones who bully me for loving to read. They bully me every day, so I eventually got used to it. But he was always there to help me. Sorry.
Ng iyong larawan, kahit di mo mamalayan, ikaw lang ang gustong tignan. Di ko man masabi, kahit na di maaari. Pwede ba pamanatili? Ikaw lang ang gustong pagmasdan. Na akong andito, umuwi na ng tropa ko. Sino ba naman kasi magkakala sa larawan ay matutulala. Sa likod ng
When I was running late, some guy called out to me and said I dropped my ID.
Naririnig ko rin ang boses mo. Hindi na nga nila ako maunawaan. Nababaliw na raw sa simpleng larawan. Maaari bang manatili na lang sa museyong ito? Di ko na namalayan, bigla ayoko na lang lumisan.
Hi, can we join?
Don't be afraid of us.
We're here to ask for forgiveness. Sorry if we treated you so badly.
We hope you can forgive us. And me too.
Of course, you can.